Who did that?
Yeah.
6. Oh. They're playing the drama too.
Ryan, do you want to play with football with us?
Sure.
Okay.
Oh, they do. Okay, there you go.
Mom, what's Cody getting?
Ice cream.
Can I get some?
Later.
Mom, instead of getting it here, can I just have some that we got after dinner tonight?
Go. Oh. Slide, slide.
We home or away?
We were in the field first. Whatever that means.
Are you guys ready to play? Yeah. Chip game strategy. Oh, this one.
Big time. Come on, Erica. Nice cut, Erica. Here you go, Erica, run.
She's hitting at the end of the bat.
Come on, Kaylee. Going to the goal. I thought you guys were playing wiffle ball.
Football.
Josh, I thought you were playing
Watch out.
Woo!
On the 10.
Thank God for Perry's tent.
Better protect now. Come on,
Dad,
Kaylee.
you see that bench over there?
Yeah.
Before I'll sit right next
Okay,
to
you
it.
gotta
and
watch
Kaylee
out.
hit the bench.
Kaylee hits over this way. You gotta be careful.
Are you gonna play? Go play. You guys can go play.
I would have caught that if I knew it was going to hit you guys. But I knew it was going to hit the 10.
You knew we were safe.
Yeah. Go.
Go run. Go, Kaylee.
What's going our way, huh? Couple errors.
It never happens
Strikeout,
for
get a
us.
hit. This is our lucky day today.
Dead ball?
Dead ball.
We never
huh?
get dead
never
balls.
happens.
No, that's what you need. You need some luck once in a while.
My favorite was that thing in States when it went through the hole and down the hill. That was the way we started. Yeah.
What was it like? Happy Gilmore's golf?
Yeah, it was like mini golf.